Hey everybody, Michael Thibault here, Done For You Marketing Systems. Thanks so much for stopping by this week for this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minutes. And I want to talk to you about one of my favorite marketing techniques ever of all time. And we have one of the biggest marketing opportunities coming up for your business right now. What I'm going to talk about is slipstream marketing. And you've heard me talk about this before. Actually, I'll show you where this term came from in a second. But this is when you use something that's top of mind in the media to supercharge your marketing to get more bang for your buck and return on your investment for your marketing dollar. And what I mean is things that are being promoted on the media that people are talking about that's current. So basically you're talking about piggybacking on current events to help supercharge your marketing. Now, this term actually came from the automotive racing industry. And you can see by this depiction a car that is closely following another vehicle. So what it does is it's called also drafting. And if you don't know what that means in automobile racing, it's when the car in front is actually piercing the air at a high speed and allowing the car behind it to go faster with less effort. And that's what you want to do with your marketing. By piggybacking on the current events in the media, the radio, on the internet, on TV, what's going on right now, you have the ability to supercharge your marketing to get more marketing bang for your buck. And that's what it's all about, right? So I'll give you some examples of this. You can piggyback on, we have Halloween coming up in October, right? Halloween's an awesome event for you to piggyback on that you can use in your marketing. Come up with different Halloween events. Then we have Thanksgiving, and we're rolling right into Christmas, which you know I'm a big, huge proponent of the no peeking red envelope, and you'll be getting more marketing from us about that shortly. But using those different, and you can create your own event as well. Or there's all kinds of kooky events throughout the month, like National Cheese Pizza Day, I know it was last weekend, National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day, those type of things. So using what's on the mind of your customers to help propel your marketing. Now you have a really big opportunity coming up, and it only comes every 4 years. You don't take advantage of this right now because you can't turn on a TV, listen to the radio, or go to the internet on any type of social media and not see an ad or someone talking about it. So you have to take advantage of this right now because we're getting super close. What I'm talking about is the election, right? It only comes around every 4 years, and it's just bombarded with media from the candidates and, you know, the debates and the interviews and the commercials, and my goodness, your customers are tired of it, right? But it's what's on their mind. It's what they're talking about other than COVID. This would be the second most hot topic. And as we get closer to the election in the next couple weeks, it's going to get even more and more attention. So using the election to help promote your business is a super smart idea using slipstream marketing. So what I have for you today is a done-for-you slipstream promotion that uses the election. This is so much fun. I love this promotion. We do this every 4 years, and it's basically a scratch-off ballot. So what it is it's a ballot that you hand to your customers or mail to your customers. Obviously, if you give them out in your restaurant, your auto shop, you can use it for carry out, you can use it for dine in. Basically what you do is hand them a ballot and they bring it back before the election, and then they scratch off a scratch off sticker to see what they've won under who they're voting for. Here's the fun thing though, because this isn't political. No one gets upset at this. There's 3 candidates on there. So you have the Republican, you have the Democratic candidate, and you can see in the middle there's a big black spot. That would be where your picture goes. So that's right, you get to be president. Or you can have one of your managers. We have people that have their pets. They have a lot of fun with it. And that's what it's all about, having fun with your customers. So basically you hand them the ballot. When they come back to your business, obviously spending more money, doing a carry out, dine in, whatever it is, they scratch off and see what prize they won from your business. Now we do all different types of prizes. What I suggest is if you're interested in doing this promotion, simply click the order button below and we can give you some ideas, and you can see some ideas on the page as well. But you want to jump on this really quick because we're getting close to the election date, and get the most bang for your buck. That's what you want to do. Do it now. Don't hesitate. Also, you can see the back of the card has a little bit of a story, explains what the promotion is about. But the most important thing in the middle spot is the prizes, because that's why everybody participates in this promotion, because they all want to win the big prize. So a good hint is to have a very good big prize that helps get the attention of your customers. So if you're interested in doing this Slipstream promotion for Election Day, have it all done for you, fully customized for your business, jump on it right now. Click the button below. You get all the details on the special web page that we set up for you. Thanks so much for watching this week, and I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.